Hey guys, it's Marielle here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool for agencies looking to give white-labeled automated SEO reports. And today, we're just going to show you guys how you can start better using SE ranking to basically enhance and up the game of your SEO analysis of any brand or website you might have on hand. For today, we're going to show you a really cool feature of SE ranking called the to-do list. So, just to explain, the to-do list is a comprehensive strategy that basically contains these step-by-step tasks based on global SEO best practices. This is basically a checklist for your website, but you can use in order to cover all the, let's say, optimization aspects and basically leave no stone unturned. This checklist offers 44 tasks that include on and off site optimization, content development strategy, mobile optimization, and social media. So before we go any deeper into this, let me just open one of our projects. So we have this right here for per element analysis that we're doing for this tutorial. And then I'm just going to open this project really quickly by selecting it. So now that we've opened the project, the first thing you're going to want to do to access the to-do list is to head over to the leftmost side of your project page. And as you can see, you're going to see a list of projects and the features that it has. You're then going to want to look for this section called Marketing Plan. And if you were to click this, looks like I didn't open the drop-down menu. I'll just let it open as is. Here we go. You can see that you can actually access the to-do list from here. Down here on this to-do list, you're going to see that there are a bunch of steps that SE ranking provides, all of which were created and set down for your website project analysis specifically, so that you can basically enhance the SEO optimization of your website. In this case, because we're on the free trial, as you can see, we only have access to the first 2 steps of the 19 over here. Regardless, even though we are limited in terms of what we can do with the 19 steps, we just want to show you guys a few things about this to-do list. So, while the first thing you can do obviously is actually access these steps one by one, and you can even tick when you've actually done them. There's also a how-to button over here to access the details on how to complete the step. The same goes for each step following. So even for step number 2, it'll open up, so it'll show you how to complete each step to then enhance your SEO. And while you can follow the steps as is, an interesting feature of this is that you can actually add your own task. So scroll up to the top and you're going to see a blue button called Add Your Own Task right above step 1. If you were to click this, you can actually add a task title, task description, and then basically apply the changes. So let's just add a example task. Let's say add keywords. And for this, we're going to put add keywords for the website based on new SEO research. And then we're just going to apply those changes. So I'm just going to show you what it'll look like once you've done that. You can see that your own tasks will now appear down here. Now, this is just a really great way for you to not only get some really good suggestions from SE ranking itself, it's also a really good way for you to track whatever you might be doing with SE ranking in general and what you want to get out of this analytics website. Here, you can add a bunch of tasks that don't necessarily have to do with the SEO. It could just be in terms of anything you might be doing on this website, which is great. You can add as many as you want. And once you finish with them, you just have to tick it off and it'll say, okay, we've completed it. At the top, you'll see that we do have a summary showing how much % is completed of the total tasks, which is also really good for keeping track of everything. And if you want to delete any of these tasks, head over to the rightmost side. You'll see a edit button, which is a pen button, and the delete button, which I'm going to do in this case because I'm not really interested in my own tasks as of now. Okay, so that's just the basics on the to-do list. Hopefully this helps you better manage any sort of SEO analysis you might be doing. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you need any more help when it comes to SE ranking, be sure to check out the rest of our channel using either the link on the upper right corner of this video or any of the links below. See you next time!